Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete all watch later videos on YouTube at once. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you can use YT Watch Later Assist app, which is a third party. This is a Chrome extension which you can use to delete all your watch later videos at once in YouTube. However, if you want to do it manually, then you can go in the YouTube section and view the watch later option. So once you tap on watch later, you can find three dots option on the top right hand side of the corner. Simply tap on it and tap on the option called removed watched videos. This will allow you to have your watch later videos get minimized by deleting all the videos that you have already watched. If you don't want to do this, then you can simply tap on the three dots icon right besides the video itself, and there you can find an option called watch remove from watch later, or you can also swipe it to the left hand side and it will allow you to delete that particular video. So by doing these steps, you can delete all watch later videos one by one or at once with the help of YT Assist. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.